Well, I'm out here in my backyard, and as I've shown you before, and I've got the Spartan Mosquito Eradicator. This is the time of day, especially in the spring, and of course, well, this is the time of day I'm usually out here working on whatever projects I've got. And the mosquitoes will just flat carry you away. But I mean, I am right over here next to all these green shrubs and everything. I'm in a t-shirt, short sleeve, no mosquito spray, nothing, and no mosquitoes. What do you want to bet? It's the smell of bats. Well, I don't know. I know bats eat mosquitoes, so maybe that's what it is. Well, it's 7 a.m. in the morning, and I'm out here on a job site, and we're not talking about a carport. We're talking about the Spartan Mosquito Eradicator. These folks have had, which I'm glad, have had theirs out here for about a month, and they've got a bunch of green stuff around here too. This one here is still about half full. This one over here is about half full also. And again, lots and lots of green.